Today I'm working on Carhartts, beanies, custom orders.
Oh my God.
Oh, and I have an unboxing.
Oh, finally.
The first Carhartt of the order, and I stitched it to the pocket. This particular style retails for about $165, so it's kind of an expensive mistake, but on the flip side, with Carhartts, you can unpick it and it'll look good as new. The price of these Carhartts does make it a little bit more stressful. I charge a little bit more because it's a coat, and so it's more trickier to handle in the machine, and I always get worried, so I charge a little bit more for my stress. And, it's a little bit different when you're embroidering something worth $160 rather than just a $10 Gildan sweatshirt that I could easily replace if I mess that up. So I'm also working on a big order of beanies. I have about 35 beanies to work on for a local volleyball team. I've got lots of mama sweatshirts that I'm doing today. I have to admit, it's kind of actually a lot, but this is what I have been praying for, is abundance. But if I can't figure out how to enjoy this success, then I'm doing it all for nothing. So let me kind of explain. I have to admit, I've been forgetting to eat. I get so hyper focused, just one more step, just one more line of embroidery. And, let me just hoop this really quick. Let me start the machine really quick. And then all of a sudden it's 2 p.m. and I have a headache and I'm lightheaded and I haven't ate anything all day long. I used to do this with sewing too. It's like I enjoy it so much that I don't want to pull myself away from it. But it's actually become a huge problem that I need to fix because my business depends on my brain being 100%. Okay, but I need to take a minute right here and show you these results. I'm so happy with the way this turned out.
My embroidery laptop will not connect to the internet. I don't know why. It's what I use all my embroidery files for, and I don't know if it's just kind of outdated. I've been trying it all morning and it will not connect. I'm also trying to print some things and it keeps saying my printer is offline. So that's how things are going right now. I can't find a decent 8-ball file. So I'm looking online and I printed some and they look crappy. Let me show you because some files, I think you guys have run across this, can just be crappy. So I have an order to do some 8 balls. It's teammates, they probably play pool. And so I got this off of Etsy and I guess in the camera it doesn't look that bad, but I don't like it at all. It's not a clean look and it's supposed to go right here on their hoodies. So I have to do another test stitch. So that's kind of like putting me behind as well. What's that? Oh, okay. And then my husband just handed this to me. I keep getting these mysterious drop-offs. There's no name to it, and I'm supposed to embroider on it. And yeah, I'm sure it's someone that has messaged me, but these guys that are dropping off these orders, because I have a drop bin on my porch, they're not putting names on them. And it's like, yeah, I'm talking to maybe 3 to 5 people each day, and then I have to go back and look. So for example, there's a lot of husbands that are placing the mama sweatshirt orders. This one was also just kind of placed in my bin, but I have 5 or 6 open orders, and I know it's for a mama sweatshirt, but which mama? That has been consuming a lot of my time is just going through and trying to find out, Okay, I'm checking my Gmail account, I'm checking my Facebook Messenger, my Instagram, trying to figure out whose this could be, also looking through my receipts. So that's been kind of chaotic as well.
People are starting to ask when their order will be ready. I'm at a 7-day turnaround right now. Oh, but I have some good news. I did hear back from the business owner on the Carhartt jackets, and I'm going to share with you the text message that he sent me.
So everything's just kind of like coming at me, and I think at this time I just need to do a dump, like a brain dump, that is. Because things have been so chaotic, I haven't been really good with my Google Calendar. So I'm just gonna have to go in here and update. Oh my God. So and see, and every time I get on my computer, I get distracted. Wow.
If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you.
Wow. You guys, oh my gosh. Look at all these Etsy orders that are coming in. So I talked last week about I love doing bulk orders, okay? But Etsy orders, they're such a great like filler because I don't have to talk to anybody. These orders just show up on my computer and then I just have to fulfill them. So, oh my gosh, so that's another thing. Okay, what I'm going to do is a brain dump and I'm going to schedule everything because right now it just does seem very overwhelming. But if I can schedule everything on my Google Calendar, then I will actually know, okay, I have time for this, this, and this. And it's really nice. I'm going to show you guys here what I do. And I like to do this like hour by hour by hour.
The navy blue, I've labeled anytime that I have to go somewhere. So I got like church, massage. I can also drag things over to the next day if I don't get them finished from the day before. But this is so nice because then I actually can see how long it's going to take me to do each task. And then I know what my expected turnaround time will be on some things. It just really eases my mind when I can see all the things that need to be done. And I'm also working on another mama sweatshirt. These, I always talk about these scissors. They're the Kai scissors. They've got the blunt tip so that you're not piercing into the sweatshirt. And with the crew necks, here's the text message. He put, "Thanks for getting my jackets done so professionally. I'm really pleased. Thanks again." Which is very refreshing to hear because sometimes I am my worst critic. Like I'm like, oh my gosh, was that not perfect enough? So when they leave feedback like that, it's kind of like a sigh of relief. And now I'm going straight into this order of beanies. It's for a volleyball team, and they ordered 35 beanies. And these I told them would be done tomorrow, so I'm going to work in turbo mode now. And the mama sweatshirt is ready, and I think it turned out so cute. Look at the tiny lettering on the sleeve. It's flawless. This is a design by Juju font. And now back to this. I think it's stitched out very beautiful. This is a logo for a volleyball team. It's like a little vortex guy. Now I'm just working on a few Etsy orders, and I have some things that I want to tell you guys. I'm so excited for the new year. I'll be updating you guys with a lot of exciting information about my business, and I'm just very excited. I've got all these ideas that I'm just going to act on. That's going to be my whole 2026 word of the year, I guess I would say. Okay, look at how cute this is. I cannot wait for this Bison's owner basically to open up this sweatshirt. It's adorable. I wish I could see the look on their faces when they get these Christmas gifts. They're amazing.
Then a few weeks ago, I mentioned that I ordered a placement tool. So let's go ahead and open this up. And since it's so close to Christmas, I'm almost tempted to just wrap it up and put it under the tree. But I'm a YouTuber, so I have to do an unboxing. Okay. Found my scissors. Oh, and the sticker says, "This package is happy to see you." I'm happy to see you. That's really cute. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I don't know that I've ever done an unboxing before from another like small Etsy shop. She sent me this little gift bag and it says, "Hey Delilah, your order made my day. I hope this package brightens yours." That is cute how she has like a little slot right there to actually put my name on it. Let me see what else is in here. We have a cute little pen, "Do great things." Okay, I think I will. And then some cute little cards and stickers. "Thank you so very much. When you support a small business, you're supporting a dream." That is so cute. "For where your treasure is, there your heart will also be." That's the verse, Matthew 6:21. I love this. Boss Babe Club. Oh, finally. Yes, it's an adult t-shirt placement thing. So I'm going to have to try that out because I use these all the time. But this one is a much better size because my other one was like really huge. I really like it. And then I'll have to put like a cute sticker or something on it as well. So thank you so much, Sonia at Design Wood Creations. It's right there. I'm going to leave her link in the descriptions tab below. It might even show up on the screen right here somewhere. So make sure that you go and support her shop if you want to get a placement tool. I have been separating like my business from my family stuff. So I'm trying like by 6 p.m. to like be completely done with my business stuff. And yesterday it was cute. Me and my daughter, we went shopping for the angel kids. We always pick kids from the angel tree, and we went shopping for them and wrapped all of those presents. The elves have been coming, but they've been pretty good so far. And if you are not 100% up here, you're gonna just fall short everywhere else. Make sure that you take breaks, grab snack, and thank you so much for being here and just kind of like working with me and listening to all my ramblings. Make sure that you click on these other machine embroidery videos or sewing as well. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful Merry Christmas. Bye guys.